All right, so let's consider this question, please. This question here says the population of a colony of a particular bacteria at a time t in bracket in hours is given by this here p of t being equal to a exponential kt, right? Where a and k are constants, full stop. Determine correct to 4 decimal places the rate of change of the population of the bacteria after 5 hours when A equal to 1000 and K equal to 0.6931. All right. So look up, please. Look up, look up, look up. Let's list that parameter, please. What's the first you're given there? They said the time is how many? So T is equal to 5 hours. Okay. What else again are you given there? A. They said A is equal to how many? 1000 and K is how many? 31. So listen, your first task is you ask yourself, am I doing conversion? That's the first task. Please, they said T was in what? In the question. So if you check in the question, T was in hours and give it time as 5 hours. So I am not converting. Not converting. Excuse me. The question there says we should find what there? To 4 DPD what there? Rate of change of what there? Population. So listen. We are to find rate of change of population. Question, what do you think will be the abbreviation for that? If population is P, what will be the rate of change of population? dp over what there? dt. So hence, we are asked to find dp over dt when, so we have to find dp over dt is equal to unknown when the time is 5, a is this, and k is this. All right, so first things first, what p? They gave us p of t as being equal to a exponential kt. To get the value of dp over dt, it means I'll have to simply differentiate this. Now, let's go back to exponential differentiation. Listen, if I have 2 exponential 3x, for instance, let's take this. Let's say y is equal to 2 exponential 3x. What is the value of dy over dx? What do you do? We said the shortcut is to what there? Differentiate this man, Abi? If I differentiate 3x, what do you get there? Use that 3 to multiply everything here. 2 exponential 3x. So the concept is simple. Differentiate this term here. Whatever you get, use it to multiply the whole function. This is equal to 3 times 2 gives you what there? 6 exponential. 2 is a constant. A is a constant. K is a constant. 3 is a, so it's literally the same thing. From here, what do you think dp over dt will be here? Here, it was what there? 3, Abi? That means the constant that was attached to what there? The variable. In this case, the constant here is what there? So it becomes what there? K times a exponential. Exactly. Multiply this, of course. I will take alphabetical order. So a before k. So I'm having a k exponential kt. This is the value of, or this is the function for dp dt. At this point, let's fix in values. We said a is equal to 1000, k is equal to 0.6931, and t is equal to 5. Fix that in. What do you have? We have that dp over dt is equal to a 1000 into k 0.6931, okay, exponential k 0.6931 into t 5. Give me these two first. What do you have there? 693.1 exponential. What do you have here? 3.4655. Okay. Give me final answer here, please. Give me this exponential. Please punch correctly. What do you have? What do you have here, please? 2, 2, 1, 1, 7, 3. Hold on. They asking how many DP? 4. So please approximate to 4 DP. What do you have? 9685. This? What will be your unit? What's the unit? Does it have a unit? No. Now listen, 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 listen. We talked about radius changing. What we said, the R over the T should be what there? Meter per second, right? Radius in meters, time in seconds. We talked about area, the A over the T, which could be in area is in meters squared per second. We could also do volume. Rate of change of volume, dV over dt, is equal to volume in meter cube all over time in seconds. What about population? What will be your unit? Bacteria per hour. Okay. Okay. As funny as that sounds, it's actually correct. Yeah? Yeah? Because if you look at it, we're looking at what there? The population of what there? Of a bacteria. So if you say P is 2, it becomes what there? 2 bacteria. Plural bacteria is what? Bacterium is a singular. Bacteria is plural. So it becomes, this is what there? Bacteria per, the time of the word there? R, not second. So per R. So as funny as the answer sounded, it's actually correct. All right, so this is how we solve this question. Any question on this, please?